Hi, I'm attorney Joshua Prince, Chief Counsel at the Firearms Industry Consulting Group, a division of Prince Law Offices PC. Today I want to discuss backyard ranges. One of the individuals that watches our YouTube channel requested that we discuss whether individuals in Pennsylvania can have their own range on their own property. While generally an individual can, as the General Assembly has not restricted individuals from being able to have a gun range on their own property, there are always local zoning issues that need to be addressed. It is currently questionable whether local municipalities can regulate the use of gun ranges on one's own property, and those issues are seemingly being dealt with in the courts, although we don't have any type of determination at this time. That being said, generally you can have your own range provided that you ensure that there aren't any issues of escapement or such. Escapement refers to where a bullet is leaving your property. Obviously, you are always responsible if a bullet leaves your own property. Even if no one is harmed, you can still be held civilly responsible for it. If someone is harmed, then in addition to being held civilly responsible for it, you can also be held criminally responsible depending on the exact situation. Now, as I said, there are issues with local zoning. Some municipalities do have prohibitions on people being able to fire a firearm on their own property or within a certain situational area space, such that they'll say that they can't fire a firearm unless they own at least 2 acres of property or something along those lines. So it's always important to check with your local municipality. If you have begun construction of your range before there exists any type of regulation or ordinances by your municipality, it's extremely important that you document everything, including when you started construction on that range, if you hired any type of landscapers or other individuals to come in to do the construction. Make sure to keep those receipts. Make sure to take photographs. If you can take photographs with while the person who you're photographing has a newspaper, so you can show the date or some other way so that you can definitively determine the date at which you're actually doing the construction. That's very important because Pennsylvania does have some range protection statutes in place whereby they are triggered on the date that you begin construction. And what those range protection statutes basically say is that if there is no regulation or ordinance currently in effect at the time you begin construction, you shall forever be adjudged as there being no regulation, even if the municipality later enacts some type of regulation or ordinance. So I hope you found this informative. If so, please hit the like button. Please share it with your friends and family. If you have other ideas for videos that you'd like to see us do, please leave them below. Thanks and have a good day.